If you don't want to limit your love towards environment to just random WhatsApp forward, Insta story and Facebook post on the World Environment Day, then keep watching. Let's talk about the plastic today. Plastic is polluting air, water and food. Do you know that we are consuming 5 grams of plastic? From the space to the ocean and from the dumping ground to our meal, plastic is everywhere. It is in deep oceans, lands, beaches, roads, forests, sanctuaries, Himalayas, and even in the rivers. Take a look around and you will realize that we have packed our planet inside a plastic bag. Plastic. Can we stop throwing it away? Make sure that you are throwing plastic inside dustbin. Avoid throwing trash on beaches. Instead of that, try to collect it. It's our collective responsibility to keep our public places clean and healthy. We can collect the plastic waste lying on the forest floors whenever we are on the trek, safaris or tours. We should never throw plastic away from car, wait and dump it properly. That's it. Isn't it easy? If Afroz Shah, a common man like us, can lead by example in cleaning Mumbai beaches, why can't we? We are the creators of this problem and can be the solution by making little changes in our daily life. Thank you.